Attention all installers! The REC SunSnap app is a great way to conveniently register, record, and retrieve examples of all your REC solar panel installations. The app also enables REC certified solar professional installers to exclusively provide a comprehensive warranty package that covers product, performance, and labor, each for up to 25 years. Now that you're ready to get SunSnapping, let's get started. Grab your device and open the REC SunSnap app. Tap on the button that says Enter Email and type in the email address you used to log into the REC Pro portal and tap Next. If you have not yet signed up to the REC Pro portal, you will be asked to create a new account. After logging in, you will see the terms and conditions displayed, which you will need to accept if you want to continue using REC SunSnap. When you log on, the app will send an automated email to the address you entered in order to authenticate your access. Type the security code into REC SunSnap, then tap Next. If you do not receive a security code, please check your spam folder or tap on Send Code again. After successful authentication, the dashboard will load and you can see all your projects in a list or map view. If you are an REC certified solar professional installer, completed registrations will show the REC Pro Trust warranty label. Now let's see how you can register a new project. To start, just tap the button New Registration. There are only 5 steps to complete the registration of your project. The data entered in each step is saved automatically, so you can close SunSnap and resume the registration at any time. The first step is to give your project a name. Then select the total power of the installation and choose if it is a ground mount or rooftop system. Tap Next. Then just enter the physical address of the installation. Tap Next. Now enter the name and address of the system owner. REC SunSnap assumes that the address of the owner is the same as the installation. If not, deselect the checkbox that says Same address as system location and enter the owner's address. One great feature of SunSnap is that if you also enter the email address of the system owner, SunSnap will automatically send the limited extended warranty certificate directly to the owner at the end of the registration. It's now time to add the installed REC solar panels to your registration. This is the fun part. You can do this easily by scanning the serial number barcodes on the panels, or load all the panels from a pallet with just one snap by scanning the barcodes found on the pallet documentation. To begin, simply select the distributor where you purchased the panels by tapping Select the Distributor. If the installation is smaller than 25 kilowatt peak, you can register it without serial numbers. In this case, move the yellow toggle to Without Serial Number. For larger installations, you need to scan or enter the serial numbers of all panels in order to qualify for the REC Pro Trust warranty. To activate the barcode scanner, just tap on the button that says Use the barcode reader and start scanning serial numbers or pallet numbers. If you have problems scanning a barcode, you can also enter the number manually by tapping on the respective button. If you register without serial numbers, you just have to enter how many panels are in the installation and select the panel type. This can be done by choosing the watt class and the corresponding panel name from the drop-down menu. Tap Next to see the panels you have added. Tapping on a serial number allows you to see detailed information about the respective panel, including its flash data. If necessary, you can remove or add panels. Tap Next to move to the final step. In the last step, enter the date when the system began operation, and then tap Next to see the registration summary. Here you can check all the data and make any edits if needed. You can also add pictures of the installation for your records and to showcase it to future potential customers. Or add other useful documents by tapping on Attach File. A flash data report with detailed information about your installation is automatically generated. When you are ready, simply tap Complete. If you are an REC certified solar professional installer, the limited extended warranty certificate will be issued and attached to this registration. The same registration process is available online in the REC Pro Portal. And all your registrations will be visible in the REC SunSnap app and in the REC Pro Portal.